Creating effective email sequences on Apollo.io can significantly streamline your outreach and increase engagement, whether you're looking to boost conversions or nurture leads. In this quick Apollo.io guide, we'll walk you through how to create these sequences from scratch. Stick around because I'll also show you how to take full advantage of Apollo.io's advanced features to make your emails more targeted and impactful. Plus, stay tuned till the end for an exclusive offer on how you can get started for free. Apollo.io is an all-in-one sales and marketing platform designed to help businesses accelerate their outreach. To create effective email sequences, the first thing you'll need is a solid strategy, understanding who you're emailing and what action you want them to take. So, let's break it down step by step. Once you're logged into Apollo.io, head to the Sequences tab on the left-hand menu. This is where you'll manage and create your email sequences. You can start from scratch or use a pre-built sequence template depending on your goals. Apollo.io makes it easy for beginners by providing templates for different types of outreach, like cold emailing, follow-ups, and nurturing emails. Now let's create an email sequence. Click the Create New Sequence button. First, you'll give it a name, something simple that makes it easy for you to recognize later. After that, you'll be prompted to select a template, or if you're building one from the ground up, you can start adding emails manually. When crafting your emails, remember that personalization is key. Apollo.io lets you insert dynamic fields like first names, company names, or job titles to make each email feel more tailored. You don't want to sound like you're sending a generic blast to hundreds of people. The more personalized and relevant your message, the higher your response rate. Each email in your sequence should follow a logical flow. Start with a subject line that grabs attention, then write a short, engaging body. Focus on the value you're offering. People don't want to read long emails. Be concise but informative, and always end with a clear call to action. For example, you might say, "I'd love to schedule a quick call to discuss how we can help you improve X." After setting up the first email, you can add additional steps in the sequence. The best part about Apollo.io is that you can set the time intervals between each email automatically. You can decide if you want a follow-up to go out after 2 days or 3 days, or customize the intervals based on your target audience's behavior. One of the most powerful features of Apollo.io is its ability to track the performance of your email sequences in real time. You'll see how many people are opening your emails, clicking the links, or responding. Based on this data, you can optimize your sequences, perhaps tweaking subject lines or adjusting the call to action to improve conversions. Another useful feature is the A/B testing Apollo.io offers for sequences. This lets you test different versions of your emails to determine which ones perform better. By constantly improving based on data, you can refine your approach over time and see real growth. Finally, don't forget to segment your audience before sending out your sequences. Apollo.io provides in-depth filters so you can target specific roles, industries, or locations, ensuring that you're emailing the right people with the right message. If you're looking to get started with Apollo.io, you can actually use this software for completely free from the first link in the description below, and we're offering exclusive bonuses to help you make the most of it. And remember, as you continue using Apollo.io, be sure to check the analytics to adjust your sequences based on real-time feedback. Your email sequences will improve over time, and soon you'll be sending highly effective emails with ease. Before we wrap up, let me remind you, we have an exclusive extended free trial available through the link below. Sign up now and start using Apollo.io to take your email outreach to the next level.